Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a lips and eyes tutorial for you, all based around some lovely bits I've been sent from Givenchy Beauty. So I've been sent this gorgeous palette. Look at that palette, it's so lovely, those colours. So that's everything I'm wearing on my lids at the moment. I've got this lovely eyeliner. It's a felt tip liner, but it's like so black and it's so easy to use. It just like glides on. I've got the lovely velvet lipstick, which the packaging is actually velvet. So lovely. It's what I've got on my lips now. This shade is called 10 beige, but it's got that like pinky nudie undertone, which I go for, like, you know, in my everyday shades. I love this one. The mascara, which, look at the packaging, so nice. So everything as I'm using it in this tutorial. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started so I can show you how amazing these products are. And so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take this palette, which is just, look at the colours there. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. There's like a matte brown shade here. So I'm gonna take this matte brown shade and just take it into my crease. This is how we start every look, so let's just do that. Any kind of like mid matte brown in your crease is just going to make whatever look you create just easy to blend. Love the fact that this palette has got some like really nice dark matte shades, so you can really define the eyes where you need to. I'm going to go in with this kind of like brown shade, but it's got a bit more of a red undertone to it, the crease, and just build up on both sides. A flat brush. And I'm going to take this shade here, just like a bronzy gold shade, and just tap this onto the lids. Oh, that is really lovely colour payoff, that is. So I'm just going to put this all over my lid. I've gone right into the inner corner, and I'm just going all over the lid. There's like another coppery bronze on the other side. I'm going to take that and just apply this on, like on the outer corner, but just on the lid, not in the crease. Another flat brush, and I'm going to take this like dark brown shade here. It's like a dark matte brown, and I'm basically going to go along my lash line at the top, so almost using this as eyeliner, but not so defined, so it's almost kind of like darkening the area near my lashes. I'm going to apply eyeliner here as well, but I just thought it'd be nice to just really darken this bit. If you weren't wearing eyeliner, this would be a really nice way to just darken that area, but like I really want to blend it in. I'm going to take the fluffy brush that I started off with and just dip slightly into this red and this mid brown. I'm really lightly just in my crease there, so it kind of just adds that bit of red, but it's blended with the brown. This red would look really nice on the lids as well. Right, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go in with this coppery shimmery shade along my lower lash line. So I'm going to go for under the lashes and just go along my lower lash line. And this is just going to add some bronzy shimmer. Then I'm going to take a flat angled brush. I'm going to take the darkest brown on my lashes just to define the eyes. And go under my lashes to define the eyes as well. Because I used a thicker brush, a pencil brush, to apply the shimmer, you can still see the shimmer. You're not covering up the shimmer. I'm just going to take a bit of this, like, it looks yellow, but it's a gold. I'm just going to take that on my finger and tap it onto the middle there, just for an extra kind of halo effect. Now I'm going to use this eyeliner for the first time. I'm really excited. Love the packaging, red, and you can see the nib is so fine. Like, that is what I like. I love a really fine nib. Just going to define the eyes. I don't do flick or anything. I'm just going to define. super easy eyeliner to use. Shall we try the mascara now? So mascara again, look at this packaging, so lovely. And I've seen this mascara being used, but I haven't used it myself. Okay, can you see that like instant lift and volume? Can you see that mascara? I literally look like I'm wearing false eyelashes. It is like, I'm really happy with that. Lips next. Right, so this lipstick, I've already added my Provoque lip liner. But when I was on the call, the makeup artist basically just asked me what my favourite lip shades are. So I told him, asked from Anita, he basically just found the next best thing. He knew that I like matte. I love this velvet packaging of this lipstick. So first time I'm using this lipstick, don't worry, I've already taken pictures because, you know. So, let's go. This glides on so smoothly, it literally feels like velvet. Oh, it smells really nice too. That is my finished Givenchy eye and lip look. So I'll definitely take some close-up pictures so you can see them, but oh my god, from like, I love this palette. I love the bits that have been sent, they're so nice, and I'm really loving this look. So I hope you like it too. I would really recommend, if you want to try anything from Givenchy Beauty, don't know your shades and stuff, I would really recommend Le Studio. The service is amazing. Their consultants and makeup artists like literally obviously know the whole Givenchy range like inside out, which is obviously their job, but they also know the rest of the industry quite well. So if you have favourites in other brands, they can find you like the similar, you know, concealer, highlight, lipstick. Like my lipstick shade, you can see this is basically my everyday lipstick. I just had to tell him my shades, what I like. I told him that I like felt tip liners, so we chose a felt tip liner. He could see that I had really long eyelashes, so he recommended something that would give me volume and lift. So I hope you like this look, and I will see you guys soon.